Hello everyone, this is Moni Singh and we are going to learn today a new chapter, that is light. Before starting this chapter, just have a quick recap of the same chapter of grade 6. We have learned few terms in that chapter: luminous, non-luminous. What are luminous? The objects which are having their own light are luminous. For example, sun, stars, bulb, candle, all these objects are having their own light. Non-luminous, the objects which are not having their own light. For example, wood, plastic, moon, these objects are not having their own light. Okay. Then according to the ability of light to pass through an object, the objects can be categorized into three categories. Those are transparent, translucent and opaque. What are those? Transparent, translucent and opaque. For example, this glass is transparent. Why this is transparent? Because we can see back side of this as well, not only front but back, so we can see, इसके हम आर पार देख सकते हैं. That is why this glass is transparent. Just like that, few plastics are transparent, but not all plastic. Few poly bags are transparent. Now look at this book. This is opaque. Why? Because light can't pass through it. Now you can't see behind this book, but you can see behind this spectacle. So this is transparent, but this is opaque. There is one more category of object, that is called translucent. Let us open one page of this book. Any page of any book, normally these are translucent. Why these are translucent? Because we can't see back of this page, but if you will try to see a little bit letters, you can see थोड़ा बहुत हमें दिखता है. The pages we can see the back side, few only. It's clumsy. It's we can say बहुत ही धुंधला सा दिखता है. So that is what translucent. Example, book pages, notebook pages even, those are translucent. Butter paper, और अगर आपकी नोटबुक पे या फिर बुक पे या कहीं पे थोड़े से ऑयल गिर गए, then that is also, oil paper are also translucent. So translucent are the objects which allows light partially to pass through it. So this all we have we learned in our grade 6: transparent, translucent, opaque. Shadow, you must have read about shadow. What is shadow? Shadow is basically formed through or an opaque object can form shadow. How? Because opaque object, like me, I am opaque. I will not allow, my body is not allowing light to pass through it. So shadow is formed. Okay. So that is also we have learnt in our grade 6. Now come back to our this class. Light. What is light? What exactly is light? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see anything in our surrounding, due to which we can see everything in our surrounding. Okay. So how we can see anything? Like I am making this video and you are able to see this video, right? You are able to see anything inside your book, inside your surrounding, walls, plants, animals, your friends, everyone you can see. How you can see? What is the reason behind this? So definitely there is light. Light is the reason. Light is the energy that gives our eyes a sensation to see something. Suppose if you think that we are having eyes, due to eyes only we can see anything, but during night time, if you have switched off all bulb, can you able to see anything in your surrounding? Can you see the wall, the bed sheet? No. Why we can't see? Because there is no light. So if we are having eyes, then also we need light rays to fall on a particular object. Then that object reflects that light and reflected rays comes to our eyes. Then only we can see anything in our surrounding. So this is how we can see anything in our surrounding. First of all, light falls on any object. Right now light is falling on this whiteboard, right? Then this whiteboard is reflecting back light. Object reflects light. So this whiteboard is reflecting back light. Okay. Then those reflected rays of light enters our eyes, and due to that only we can see something. Right now I can see also this board. Why? Because light rays falling on the board is reflected from this and coming to my eyes. But I can't see now this board. Why I can't see? Because now my eyes is these are in opposite direction of the whiteboard. So light is definitely falling on the whiteboard. It is reflecting the rays, but those rays are not able to come in my eyes. So because light rays are not able to come in our eyes, due to which I can't see this whiteboard now. So what is needed to see anything? We can see on anything only in one condition, when light rays are falling on anybody and those reflected rays are coming back to our eyes, then only we can see anything. I hope you understood how we can see, what is the phenomenon behind this, that we can see everything in our surrounding. If we are having eyes, then only we can't see. But there is a combination of there is a condition when reflected rays are coming to our eyes, then only we can see anything. Now you look at the screen.